Howdy people, Jude here. Welcome back to another episode of the Yukon Boys.
The Yukon Boys. The Yukon Boys.
Hello. I don't know what else to say.
Hey, I'm Jeremy.
Hey, I'm Mark.
And we're packing up the back of the truck for an ice fishing adventure for the afternoon. The other two boys and mom are coming, and it should be fun. Where are we going?
Hidden Lakes.
Just outside of Whitehorse, kind of still in Whitehorse. Here we go.
Yay.
Here it is. Hidden Lakes. We're gonna go around to Hidden Lakes 1. Shall we?
Yeah.
Rocking the old Polk again. Got my ice auger, got some chairs, got my jacket because it's actually pretty nice. Kind of springish. It's a little windy, but it's a nice day. What lies beneath? Here we go. We got Arctic char. We got rainbow trout. And kokanee salmon. Hopefully we catch something. Onward to the lake. Woo-wee. It's windy. What's up? We're gonna set up over towards the trees to get a little bit of a windbreak. But if it wasn't for the wind, ooh-wee, look at that. What a beautiful day. Definitely a sunglasses day. Spring is on the way here in the Yukon. We found this spot. Looks like someone was here yesterday and there's some drilled holes. The boys just unpacked their stuff. Go for a jaunt up that hill. A jaunt? Yeah, a jaunt. A trot.
That's wind loaded with powder, and I brought my snow skates, so
Oh,
hike up with snowshoes and ride down.
that sounds fun. Well, no fish yet. Got the sonar going. Saw a couple blips, but no bites. Beautiful day. The boys are gonna make a fire over there. What you doing, Mark?
Nothing much. Just working a bit life over here.
So the carving, you have a block.
I have a block.
And what shall you do with your block of ice?
I want to put it on fire and see it melt.
Okay, let's try it. Put it right on top of there.
A few moments later.
Mom hooked up. She's got a fish. She's got a fish. Oh yeah! Woohoo! We do. Well, your mom catches fish. We don't. Wow, nice.
Awesome.
Yeah, looks like a little rainbow.
Are we gonna eat it?
A little rainbow. Mom's on fire today.
Got another one.
Wrapped around the sonar. There it is.
Aw, he's just a little baby.
Another rainbow. Just a little rainbow. Amazing.
We can't keep it though.
That one's a little small. The other one, you can see the difference in the size. That one's a pan size, but that one's a little too small. We'll let him grow. That's amazing. Way to go.
Yeah,
Marky, what you up to?
making a hole with a big stick.
Sounds fun.
Yeah.
Luke's up there, playing up there.
Fort.
Oh, he's building a fort?
Yeah.
My little fort that I've been working on, and I'll just show you. Here it is. Got a little roof up here. If you go down, I carved that out. I was gonna try to put like a picture or something on it, but that didn't end up happening. Have a little window here. You could see the fire out there, and then walls little seating area there, just ground. I would put my hatchet and stuff right there. And then if we just get up here, I have my little window up here. I would sit on that branch and just look over there. See ya.
We got some different shenanigans happening.
Hello.
We got Luke, he's actually in the tree now. Give a wave, Luke. Hello. There he is. In his fort, it now has a ladder into a tree section. And then Jude is, I think, planning on going down there on his snow skate. So we'll see that in a minute. Okay. Woohoo! Oh, wipe out at the end. That was great. Luke's down from the fort. Dinner bell called. Jude's living the dream. Smokies in one hand, fishing rod in the other. Got this lovely moose, like 80% moose, 20% pork.
You have mustard in your mustache.
Do I? So I do. Mustard in the stash. This is a life. Do you have one?
Yeah, it's gone.
Oh, sad. Almost. It's a stick bass. They're so tasty.
I got something.
Got the rainbow trout that Nicole caught. About a pan size, but we're gonna cook it up. We had some smokies, but we're gonna have some trout too. Moose smokies and rainbow trout here in the Yukon. How beauty is that? Surf and turf. Just a slow smoke, but that's hot in there, so that's good. Good amount of heat. Be amazing. Delicious. We got this little grill now that we had packed out, so we're just finishing off. The tail's done, obviously, but the body was still a little pink, so we got her taken care of. Okay. Yeah, it's good. It's really good. Wow.
All right, so Dad just hooked up on a fish.
I got a fish.
Yeah, let's go down.
Oh,
That's our
Little
big
rainbow.
fish.
I think I'll release him though. He's a little tiny.
Can I see
I caught a
the
fish.
got a
I
fish.
gotta let him loose.
Oh,
There he
goes.
There he goes.
rainbow? It's called a rainbow trout.
Good job, Dad.
That's what the fish
Thanks, buddy. That was fun. Well, the sun's setting, which means it's time to pack up. It's been a wonderful day on the ice on hidden lakes in the Yukon. Boys are at the top of the hill. Let's have a look. Are you gonna somersault down? No. Is Luke?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. On your mark.
Mark, you should somersault now. I can't hear you because you're too loud and obnoxious.
All right, let's see it.
Go, buddy, go.
Woohoo! Yeah, into the woods. Ooh, crash. And Luke's running. Oh, rolling. Oh, Mark's doing somersaults. Sweet. Go, Mark, go. Kind of. All right, time to pack up. Saddest part of the day, but it has to be done. We got an adventure going. We pulled a log from the fire, a big one, and Jude's gonna send it to the bottom of the lake. Oh, didn't happen.
Try again, try again.
Get it stuck.
You can do it!
Go like down, up, bang. Oh,
Whoa.
that was...
It's very buoyant. A little bouncy. Oh, next hole.
It's still water, guys.
It's not gonna happen.
That's right.
How thick was the ice?
Like 2 feet? No, 2.5. Try doing an angle. Oh, so close. I thought you had it.
That was under. I have extra weight.
Alright, one last try.
Okay, let Jude have one more try.
Oh, you gotta get the water with
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Nope.
No. Okay.
You went too early. You went too early. Try again. Try again.
You don't want to try,
You
Luke?
gotta go when the water goes down.
The water's so deceiving.
That deceptive water. All right.
This isn't even that. Whoa, that's so weird.
I know.
I'm stuck
Hey, what if I just...
You just wanted to get under there so bad.
Oh, it would be so good if it's under there.
I'm just gonna take half of my coat off.
Why?
Because then I can get my arm in.
Put your arm in this hole and see if you can reach it. Because you can't reach it.
What are you? You are a madman.
If you can't reach the bottom, that's a lot of.
You got some soot there. Can you reach the bottom?
No, wait.
Oh my goodness, right at the shoulder.
Oh, you got it. Okay, you're
I
good.
can
You're
do
good.
it. I can do it.
This is quite the adventure here. You really want it under the ice, huh?
It would be so cool if it's under there.
Gone.
Yes, sir.
No, it is now. It's now crooked this way, like 2 feet under. My arm's cold.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
Well, what are you doing now?
It's not that bad.
Stick your whole arm under 3 times.
I have all my stuff on. I'm not taking this all off.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
We'll put some in a jar. We'll take it back home.
Can we get a close-up of the snowball that's stuck to the side of Mark's head?
Sure.
I didn't notice that.
Ah, yes. It's snow attire. See?
Oh, yeah!
All right. It's time to go home. It's been fun. Beauty. Sunset on the mountains.
What's up, Yukon? Today it's Mark, and I'm sitting in a freaky chair.
In a freaky frozen chair.
Yep.
Just chilling. Literally.
Well, that was a fun day. We're heading home now. Thanks for watching. And,
Mark, got anything to say? What he was supposed to say is like and subscribe and hit the bell.
Hit the bell.
Hit the
ding,
bell.
Ding, ding,
Hit
ding,
the
ding.
bell.
Okay.
Hit the bell.
Jingle bells.
Hit the bell.
Jingle bells.
probably shouldn't look behind you. You're driving.
What do you mean? What's wrong?
All right, see you guys.
Bye.
Peace.